All right, we're going to jump right in here. We're going to ask a pretty simple question. What is an inverse? An inverse is a function that undoes another function. And what's nice about this is we've been kind of secretly using inverse functions in our whole mathematical lives. If we were to think about, say, 2x plus 5 equals 25, we can use a couple inverse operations to solve, right? We've taken what we've done with this function. We started with some number. We multiplied it by 2 and then added 5, and the result was 25. Well, we're going to undo those operations. The way we would undo adding 5 would be subtracting 5. We'd be left with 2x equals 20. And then we would undo this multiplying by 2 by dividing by 2, right? And we would get an answer of x equals 10, right? Functions are solved by using inverse operations, right? A function performs some operation on a number or a variable, and an inverse would undo that same process. The way we write an inverse function mathematically is if we have a function, say f of x, and let's call it 2x plus 1, its inverse would be written as f to the negative 1. I mean, it looks like f to the negative 1. We don't actually call it f to the negative 1. We would read this as the inverse, I make a little mistake there, of f of x.